Veggies is always a problem. When you start giving them veggies, most of the time it's no problem at all. But then when they get 1 year old, the problems start. The beginning is that you give the veggies early. Let them get used to the taste. To get used to flavors, it takes a while. So just offer them little pieces day by day for at least 1 week, so they can get used to the flavor. And don't be really upset when they don't eat it. Just try it and offer it again for a few days. That's the best way to start with it. And make veggies positive. Because we used to act like, well, eat your veggies, you have to eat it, and then the problem starts. So just make it okay, make it fun to eat it, make it a positive experience, and eat it yourself. Start with the mild flavored or the sweet flavored veggies, like carrots or like avocado. That's a good way to start, and take your time.